Hello guys, this is your guy here, Forex Mind Academy. Yes, I'm here. I get these questions more often, guys, from people on my social media platforms, on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok, on my Facebook, on my Instagram. Whenever I advertise about Deriv verification, or how you can actually verify your Deriv account in different countries. This guy here said, "Can I trade in Deriv? Or can I trade Deriv in Dubai?" Yes, you can trade on Deriv in Dubai. Yes, you can trade on Deriv in Canada, you can trade on Deriv in Belarus, you can trade on Deriv in Caribbean, in Cuba, in Hong Kong, in Israel, in Iran, in Jersey, in Malta, in Malaysia, in United Emirates, in Dubai, in any country. I know you are saying, "Oh, no. Those countries have been restricted by Deriv. We can't." I say you can. One, you're gonna need a VPN. Need a VPN. Number two, to hide your location, to hide your IP address. Number two, you're gonna need me. Yes, me. You're gonna need me to help you on verifying your account, verifying proof of identity, also verifying the address. Because if you use your own details in those countries that are restricted by Deriv to verify your own account, your account will be blocked. So you need me to assist you. And number three, yes, number two, you need me. Number three, you won't have stress on withdrawing and funding once your account is fully verified. So in order to find me, you're gonna read on the description below the video. You will find my login details and also the pricings of me verifying your account. I have to find the documents and so on, but let me not say much here. We'll say much when you inbox me. We'll talk about it. But to contact me, find my contact details below. You'll find my WhatsApp number and also my Telegram link. You click on the link, you come straight to my inbox. Yes guys, you can verify or you can trade on Deriv in those countries like Dubai, United Emirates, and in United Kingdom, in Malaysia, in Rwanda, in Netherlands. So many countries you can be able to trade boom and crash, volatility 75, and so on. As you can see, this is my account. This one is fully verified. This is the account I trade on. So yes guys, you can actually trade on Deriv in those countries. What you need VPN. That is the first thing that you need. Number two, don't tell anyone, you need me. Number three, you won't have stress, you will trade free. Good luck guys. Check my contact details below on the description. You will also see my services.